We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, in a cake, strawberry cupcake block.
What's up, everybody? ¿Cómo estás? That means, how are you doing? I'm doing okay. Actually, I'm doing amazing. Make sure my hair looks good. So today I'm doing a recent slime that I've been playing with. So let's get started. So first, I'm gonna go off with this slime. Start off with this slime. I hope this slime. My friend Ebony, she said she calls it metallic something-licious. Metallic bubblicious. Because I showed it to her before. I just kept the name like that because I didn't know what else to change it. And I thought it was marvelous. It's really good. It is made out of a whole bottle of clear glue. It's shrunken, but that's okay. Because I can always make new ones. Ow! My scissors. Clear slimes sometimes can be better slimes if you mix it with white glue. So, alright, catch this. Thumbnail in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I'm having so much fun after having my Christmas. It's an amazing Christmas. Okay, next we're going to do the next clear slime. We're starting off with all clear slimes. Okay. Now this clear slime you saw in the last video. It is good. Let me flatten it out because it's dry. Doesn't it sound like it's a store-bought slime? Well, I can show you the proof that I made it. Oh my god. It has great crunching sounds. Here's what I made it with. All this stuff. And thank you for letting me hit 30 subscribers. I hit it today. And when I hit it today, I was so happy. I was jumping up and down. I was jumping up and down because I have 30 people watching me. Continuously supporting me. Shout out to my friend Ebony. She's been supporting me even though she wasn't here from day one. She's still been supporting me, and that's what I'm happy about. Next we're going to move on to the white glue. Okay. I hope this stays on this time. Alright. This slime, I don't know what to call it. It's a glitter storm. I'm just going to call it glitter storm for now. It's a good slime. But it's gotten a bit hard from the last time I played with it. Was last week. It's gotten hard, but I know how to fix it. And sometimes if it's a really hard slime that you can't fix, you have to make it disintegrate. Use anything to make it disintegrate. Vinegar. Example, vinegar. Anything watery to a sticky slime. And then you add more activator, and that turns it from glue, disintegrated, to a really good slime. So those hacks work. I might have to disintegrate this one. I might add some strawberry scent. I might. Okay. Next one. And I had these in for art containers because these were when I had first made slimes. I had store-bought slimes to see if they were okay or alright. And so I emptied those out. And I put these in. And I made them. Alright, now this one's gotten hard too. I don't know if they've gotten a little bit too cold or what. But this one's gotten hard, and this one used to be my best one out of my pink slimes. That's how I crunch my slime now. This is just half of my slime. No, it's just maybe 3/4 of my slime. It's not all. Don't worry. I'm not addicted, but I really like playing with slime because it's really fun. And you get to make it scented, and you play with it until you get tired of it. That's all. Now we're gonna move on to I'm gonna say the cloud slimes for last. Those are the really good ones. Now this one I haven't played with in a while, so it's sticky. Oh, it's actually not sticky. I'm proud of myself. On camera, it looks ugly. In real life, it looks good. Now this slime is kinda a butter slime. My friend Emily calls when she crunches bubbles, she calls it crack-a-lackin'. Because I watch her channel. Crack-a-lackin'. Classic. At first, I got stringy, but now that I let it sit for approximately 4 days, it feels good. I don't know why I have it in this big container, but I just used that. I think I might add some strawberry scent to this slime. Who's getting nominated for strawberry scent? I can sing very good if you didn't know. Ooh, what was that? Now we're going to do cloud slimes. I'm doing this. No, we still have one more clear slime to do. I forgot about this one. This one is I'm officially calling this one because I didn't have a name at first. Remember when it was a couple of days till Christmas and I had missed a lot of days from Vlogmas? That was my first time. Remember that? Well, this is the slime. I colored it. It's not sticky anymore. I added glitter to it. And now it's officially a mermaid slime. It is so pretty. Off camera. Because on camera, that looks bad. Well, it doesn't look bad, but it just looks like an ordinary slime if it's on camera. Guys, at first it was an original clear slime with a little bit of blue in it. But now I had colored it with this marker. And then it turned pretty. And I had to mix the slime. And let me know in the comment section down below when I did my cleaning if you liked it. I think I'm going to do another cleaning segment. Okay, that's enough of this slime now. Believe it or not, the first time I made slime in my whole entire life. Believe it or not, like I said, that was not good at all. I had made it and I overactivated it and it was soupy. And I had brought it home. I thought it was going to be good. That joker was bad. When I say bad, I mean bad. Next, we're going to one of my favorites. It is a cloud slime and a fluffy slime. And this slime, without the beads, I don't know how it would be. Because the color is amazing. It's beautiful. Now that on screen, I don't know what's going wrong with my camera, but that on screen is not good. This on off screen is beautiful. Look, here's how you know it's it. Look at the lines through it. Stretch it. It's cloud. And all cloud slimes, you stretch it like this. They all go down fast. They never crunch. I'm surprised though, but whatever. Last but not least, what is that? Well, last we have they said on the box it was a fluffy slime. And this is my first cloud slime. And all the sprinkles you see in it came with it. Slime. The slime glue and stuff was store-bought. All I had to do was put the sodium torbot in, and then I had to add my decorations. And that's how it was. So let's do a little bit of cleaning. Wait, cleaning.